Guys, what's up? My name is Justin Marc, and in this 3-part video series, I'm going to talk to you about how to meet beautiful women every single night from online dating and how to kind of get lucky every single night from online dating. Now, I want you guys to sit back, hang tight, and really pay attention in this 3-part video series. We're going to be putting out this content in 3 different video segments. That's 3 different videos, and I want you to watch part 1, part 2, and part 3. Because if you follow the advice in this 3-part video series, your life changes forever. You go from loser to player. You start being the guy who's actually meeting beautiful women every single night. It's pretty crazy. Last night I had a girl over. The night before I had a different girl over. And in the past week, probably hooked up with 5 to 6 girls. And to be honest, it's just a lifestyle. It's something I don't really think about. It's something I just do. I like to cuddle with cute girls and watch movies, and it's kind of nice waking up with a different girl every single day and not really having to have a traditional monogamous relationship, but instead dating a lot of girls in a very comfortable, respectful, and honest way, and having a lot of fun while being upfront and honest that I'm not looking for a monogamous or a serious relationship. And it's a lot of fun. If you apply the advice and the content to your life in this 3-part video series, your life changes. You go from hooking up with 0 girls a year to potentially hooking up with 100+ girls a year and just having a lot of fun. Now, this is the best advice you will ever hear about online dating, hands down. You're not gonna learn this anywhere else. You're not gonna learn this from any other online dating course, okay? And if you apply this stuff, your life changes forever. 99.99% of guys have no idea what they're doing when it comes to online dating. What this means is if you apply this stuff correctly, you can easily be in the top percentile of guys on dating apps. It's funny because when I hang out with girls, they constantly complain about the guys on Tinder, right? And they look at me, I'm the 5'4", 109-pound Indian man, and they're looking at me as the most attractive option, which doesn't really make sense at all. When I hang out with these girls, they constantly complaining about guys on Tinder, and when I hang out with my own sister, she's constantly complaining about how the dating market sucks for women. Now, this stuff is so extreme and honestly so serious that I actually created a full-length 50-hour course called Online Seduction. If you did ever want to know more, go to online-seduction.com and get a copy of the course. You don't have to. You can actually even opt into our free email list as well. We'll give you some free information there as well. But this stuff really goes deep. I'm going to try to cover as much of it as I can in this 3-part video series. So hang back, and before we jump in, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. I really appreciate that. That will allow this video to be seen by a new audience and do really well in the YouTube algorithm. Let's just jump straight in. Part 3, dates, going on dates, having fun, making the magic happen, and woo! Okay, so ideally, you want to choose a date location near your house. And there's a few reasons for that, okay? Imagine this. Back in the day, I used to live with my parents, and I used to commute 2 hours to go on a date. Can you imagine if I was taking a bus 90 minutes to the city center to go meet up with a girl at a public location and she flakes on me? How fucking awkward would that be? It has happened, and it is really, really fucking awkward. Now, flaking is normal. Girls are gonna flake on you, and it's gonna happen a lot. It's not even a reflection of you. It's typically a reflection of the environment, the dating pool, all the other options she has. Maybe she forgets. Maybe your game's just not up to where you want it to be, and girls flake. So ideally what you could do is have a city center apartment, a city center living space where you're right next to all the best bars, clubs, restaurants, date venues, and you're gonna meet her downstairs at the bar across the street. Because that way, kind of the ball's in your court. If you want to bounce it back to your place really effectively and consensually when she's comfortable with you and attracted to you and into you later on in the night, well, you can do that very easily, right? And the best part is you don't have to commute very far to go meet your special date for the evening. When you actually meet up with a girl, you want to go in smiling, super confident, shake her hand, right? Or go for the hug. So it's one of those 2 things. Hey, really nice to meet you, right? But that's a little bit too formal. If you assume familiarity, and just going for the, hey, it's so cool to finally meet you. Oh my God, you're so fucking adorable. Wow, you're really cute. Let's grab drinks, right? You assume familiarity, you automatically build comfort, you're very respectful and gentlemanly off the bat. She's gonna be able to relax in your company, kind of just chill out, have fun, good vibes, and you can lead it wherever you want. Because to be honest, what a date is, it's for her to see if she likes you, but it's also for you to see if you like her. But how can you do that if she's not comfortable around you? You need to be open-minded, non-judgmental, and very comforting so she feels safe and respected, and you're not pushy, you're not creepy, so that she can relax in your masculine presence. And the reason for that is so now she can relax, be herself, and now that she's herself, you can actually figure out, do you like her? Are you actually into her? Are you actually attracted to her? And do you want to move it forward, right? Do you want to move it forward to, you know, the spiciness? Do you want to move it forward to a second date, right? And that is both her decision and your decision. And so it's best when you can both kind of relax, be yourselves. And the best way to do that is just kind of assume familiarity, kind of just act like you already know each other, make her comfortable, have fun, joke, laugh, tease, get to know her, talk about yourself, let her talk about herself, and really pay attention to her. Pay attention to her. Women love when you pay attention to them. It's funny how Tinder dates work or online dating dates work, because it's almost as if you already know each other. It's almost like a second date. Like, honestly, a Tinder date is almost like a second date. It's almost like a day two, right? Where it's like that same familiarity, you kind of already know each other. It's kind of the little awkward thing where if, hey, anyone asks, I met you in the supermarket, we didn't meet on Tinder, right? Right? So it's that assumed familiarity. It's that assumed kind of like, well, we already kind of know each other. Just remember that she feels what you feel. This is called brain mirror neurons. People feel what you feel. If you feel happy, she'll feel happy. If you feel kind of awkward, she's gonna feel kind of awkward, right? She's gonna feel very like, kawaii, I'm very awkward, right? But if you feel very like confident, easygoing, smooth, charismatic, charming, respectful, offering tons of value through your energy and your presence, she's gonna feel the same thing and reciprocate it to you. Right? Everyone wants to feel that loving, warm energy. So give that to her and you're gonna get that back. Just remember that 90% of the time, if a girl meets up with you, she's already attracted to you. You already know that if a girl meets up with you from a dating app, she's already attracted to you even a little bit. The way attraction works for women is a little bit different than the way it works for men. Like you seem, oh my God, she's attracted to me, she's DTF. Not necessarily. It's more so she has the potential to perceive you as a long-term dating option, which means she's a little bit attracted to you. You need to kind of like warm that up more and more and more and more and more and more and more. And the more she gets to know you, the more opportunity she has to be more attracted to you as well. So just remember, she feels what you feel. Relax, make her comfortable. If you feel awkward, she's gonna feel awkward. And also remember that if she met up with you, she probably is at least a little bit attracted to you. So just assume attraction. Assume she's attracted to you, and work on making her feel comfortable, safe, respected, and showing her a fun time in a very safe, consensual, and respectful way. Now, there's one thing I want to talk about. I want to talk about pulling. I want to talk about escalation. I want to talk about making it spicy in the bedroom, like all that fun stuff. But because of cancel culture, because of the internet, because of the realities of modern society, I just can't talk about this stuff publicly on social media, but I can in my online seduction course. So if you go to online-seduction.com, we talk about how to make it happen, make the magic happen in a very consensual and respectful way. So go to online-seduction.com, and we actually have a full-length guide, 50 plus hours of content in our online seduction course. This is a full-on guide that's gonna change your life forever. So go to the website right now, grab a copy of the course if you want, and really take this stuff to a whole nother fucking level. It's really powerful stuff, okay? That's pretty much it. We've pretty much broken it down, the very basics at least, in this 3-part video series on how to make it happen, how to meet girls, get dates, and at least be in the top 20% of guys. But to be honest, if you really apply everything being taught at a very high level and you really work on this stuff, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it, you will become in the top 1% or 0.1% or even more of guys on dating apps. It's pretty cool. It's funny because now when I, use Tinder, when girls like me, Tinder messages them saying, hey, are you sure you wouldn't like to super like this guy? He gets a lot of matches, right? Or when a girl makes a new Tinder account, I'm one of like the first guys that show up because I'm at the top of the fucking algorithm. It's really cool how that works. And what that means is I'm meeting more and more girls. So it's almost like the rich get richer. It's like I'm like billionaire class of like dating apps, right? I'm just like at the very fucking top, because if you apply all this stuff, you're gonna get the same results. And it's just how it is. online seduction strategies. We've given it to you for free in this 3-part video series. Guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, and make sure to watch part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this 3-part video series. Now, if you haven't already left a thumbs up on this video, please do that right now. I work really hard to give you as much value as I can, and this video will be seen by new audiences and do really well in the YouTube algorithm if you just leave a thumbs up. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to do it. It really helps me out. I really fucking appreciate it. Lets me know that I'm doing a good job as well. So thank you so much. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, follow me and message me on my Snapchat, my Instagram, or join my Inner Circle Telegram group. I try to reply to as many messages as possible, especially if you follow me. So go ahead and follow my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Follow me on Snapchat, SexyJustin. Join my Inner Circle Telegram group, or even message me on Telegram. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos, okay? And I'll continue to keep putting out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also, if you want to learn more about dating, online dating, and just getting really fucking crazy results, go to online-seduction.com, linked in the description, and get my online seduction course. 50+ hours of life-changing, high-level online dating content so you learn how to literally just be in the top percentile of men on dating apps. I can't even tell you what a crazy lifestyle I live, where I'm literally traveling around the world, meeting beautiful women all the time, obviously from clubs, bars, day game, night game, but from dating apps. And it's so easy from dating apps. My God, it is so easy when you know what you're doing. So go to online-seduction.com. We'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.